Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow juice. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need about 10 large marshmallows, 1 cup of water, a small saucepan, and a whisk. Also, have a fine mesh sieve and a clean container ready for the next steps. This process is surprisingly straightforward and yields a delightful, sweet liquid. Now, let's get those marshmallows melting. Place your 10 large marshmallows and 1 cup of water into the small saucepan. Turn the heat to low and begin stirring continuously with your whisk. It's important to keep stirring to prevent sticking and ensure an even melt. This should take approximately 5 minutes until all the marshmallows are completely dissolved. Once your marshmallows are fully dissolved, it's time to strain the mixture. Carefully pour the warm liquid through your fine mesh sieve into a clean container. This step removes any small, undissolved pieces, ensuring a smooth juice. Let the strained marshmallow juice cool down completely at room temperature, then refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. Your marshmallow juice is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled as a wonderfully sweet and unique beverage. It also makes an excellent topping for ice cream, pancakes, or other desserts. For best results, consume within 3 days. This delightful concoction offers a fun, sugary twist to your favorite treats or as a standalone drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.